If you need a reliable monochrome multifunction printer for home or small office use, the Canon imageCLASS MF3010 VP delivers printing, scanning, and copying in a compact and efficient design. It's built to handle everyday document tasks with speed and precision. The printer provides high-speed printing of up to 19 pages per minute, ppm, producing crisp, clear black and white text and simple graphics at a resolution of 600 pixels and 600 dpi, ideal for professional and personal use. Connectivity is simple and reliable with USB 2.0, allowing a direct connection to your computer. Note that this model does not support wireless or network printing. Paper handling includes a 150-sheet input tray and a 100-sheet output tray, accommodating multiple pages without frequent reloading. It also supports manual duplex printing, allowing two-sided prints with minimal effort. The printer's scanning and copying capabilities include a flatbed scanner with a maximum optical resolution of 600 pixels and 600 dpi and straightforward copying functions, making it easy to digitize or duplicate documents. Its compact design measures 14.7 10.9 10 inches and weighs about 16.8 pounds, making it easy to fit on a desk or in small office spaces. Included accessories feature a pre-installed Canon cartridge 125 black, 700-page yield, and an additional cartridge 125 black, 1,600-page yield, for a total of up to 2,300 pages. The package also includes a USB cable, power cord, software CD, setup guide, and warranty card. In conclusion, the Canon imageCLASS MF3010 VP is a fast, efficient, and space-saving monochrome multifunction printer. Its combination of printing, scanning, copying, and generous toner yield makes it ideal for home offices and small businesses seeking a dependable all-in-one solution.